Hi there. My voice is a bit low, but I'll try as much to explain this process. A lot of people have been asking how to get the roots of the closure natural. So I decided to do a quick video on how I do mine. I'm using the True Light bleach powder together with a 30 volume developer. I put in a drop of purple semi-permanent odor color to take away that rustiness, make it more natural. I'm using a knife to spread it on the closure just slightly lightly. I'm not pressing hard. The knife, because it's more easier and you get it done quicker. As you can see, I used too much. One scoop is just enough. You don't need more than that, you waste it. After that, you just wrap it up in the foil and leave it for 15-20 minutes. You can keep checking depending on the lace, it might get done quickly. You wash it with shampoo and conditioner. That's the finished results. I hope you liked this video and it helped. Please subscribe.